every time you see me as it, the baby.
Listen, I'm going to Listen,
guy.
What we trouble they tell you for the night?
You know what we're going to take? We're going to leave it. We're going to leave that right there. We're going to leave that right there.
Big up yourself.
Big up yourself. You don't know. I'll book you on a one-on-one again when we're outside and we're some big sound around with baseline and things.
Ah, no, they don't get busy. The school, man.
No, we're mean.
Trouble somebody else.
Party must go on.
People, they look juggle.
A party
Big up. Exorcist, man, yeah, man, bless them. And this is what we talk about, the unity. Man, they fly too blank, they just dodge them. Too blank to come and say just, hey.
Wait, we must do rhythm first now. Sit over there, go on, better enough. And then,
rhythm bad, man, rhythm sick.
So I want to shake, yeah.
Man, some people that was exorcists passing through to bless up Antigua Sound Talk 30th anniversary. Well, Andy, I say something. Say talk to the people.
Yeah, man, big up everybody that does support, big up everybody for the live. Zabari, big up yourself, man. The system are going to wake it in the Bronx, brother. Big up yourself. Akiri, big up. Yeah, man, Exorcist, big up by yourself, big up Raga, the whole crew. Yeah, man. And it's all about exquisite taxi services and tours. You need to check exquisite taxi services if you want to go anywhere on the island. Call 773-4492, exquisite taxi service. They're one of our sponsors for tonight. Yeah, man, rolling in style, rolling in luxury, rolling with TV and headrest and all these things, you know. Yeah, man, check out exquisite taxi services. Anyway, big up to our brand, Glory Brand, one of the major sponsors for Sound Talk. Glory Brand, big up sponsor clothing line or wears every week, different wear. So Glory Brand, big up. Right now, hey, Glory coming in a FedEx today. Yeah, man, FedEx. Delivered.
Glory and not joke now.
Yeah, special delivery, man. Special delivery. So big up to Simmer. Simmer there video the thing live. You don't know. Simmer go load up about 3 weeks after now. But anyway, Simmer, big up yourself. Big up yourself, brother. Big up yourself. I like you. You want to clean and you put in the work, brother.
Yeah, man.
You can't go around it. Can't go around it. But today, I watch the interview with Arma.
Okay,
you do some good things, bro.
Respect.
You know? Just keep up the good work, man.
Definitely.
And it's all about
everybody who play that part.
Rumble. This Saturday, people place to be Millers by the Sea. Somebody you get dropped over for what?
Man, I think I'm talking about pay-per-view. And pay-per-view lineup.
I think the pay-per-view is going to be there.
That sounds good.
You know? But you can't walk in same day, you never know. You just walk in the backpack with everything inside.
Definitely.
You know?
Definitely.
Just in case.
Yeah, true.
Just in case. Well, big up to Father Whitney and the whole Stonewall crew. It's all about this Saturday. It's not going to be normal, it's going to be crazy. Everybody get the tickets forward. Don't want Millers by the Sea, don't know Cinder and Rumble. We never know. Something can happen. Somebody can get overthrown. Somebody can get dethroned. Somebody can win unexpectedly. You never know. Yeah. Series the ruler just a check in and a lineup. Yeah, man. Big up to all the rest of the sound and that the forward. You don't know. We have Henny a beat. Sister Soldiers, big up. You're one of our sponsors, graphic designer. Sister Soldiers, big up on your 18 years anniversary. Sister Soldiers' anniversary was last week. So big up to Sister Soldiers. Yeah? How you look over there? Good?
The line. Let's pass on some. Yeah, well, in the meantime, between time, people, we need every single individual on the line for just press a share button. A little more from now, in our regular in the Sound Talk studio. Right about now, we're going to look for feature series we will ruler. You know how just to try to get everything set up. In the meantime, big up Glory the brand. You don't know Glory make all look sort out in the place right now. Colors, check out the website, people. That's what we talk about. And do remember, May 4th is all about a thing called St. John's Rumble, people. 5 sound, 1 single winner. And who's the winner? Right now, I'll do like a chief. Anybody in the chat, I feel like I want to call out the winner. We good? How are we looking at right now?
You like how this, man? You like him off? That's so bad. And that's why I'm from. Come on.
I can't get something now.
Hold on.
Yeah, but in the meantime, people, we just want to say thank you for joining the live. We can feature series, the ruler, bad sound. So me make that this is not no regular sound. Nah, bad sound pass through sound are different still, but you know you have to make special mention of the badness. You want to see me have to make special mention, man, and everybody here got level 1, level 2, level 3 badness also now. You understand? So you have to make man know when you're bad. You have to make people be aware this is not a sound to play with.
Differently,
so series the ruler, just try to get all the technical things sorted out. How we looking now? How we looking? Well, people is 3 years now. I mean, tell her now, we go 3 years in this sound clash, sound talk fraternity. It wasn't an easy road. And we can tell from share experiences, but it was not an easy road. It was rough. Me tell you, enough trial, enough trouble, enough beatings too. Yeah, we get enough beating too much. But we persevere. And we at the end soon. And we show the people, and then we can go 3 years on top of the people, the haters and them, man. 3 years Antigua Sound Talk, 3 years of greatness. And may tell anybody this, a consistency. You can't use that one, that's like, that is not going to use that. But me just to show you 3 years consistency. I'm going to big up the overseas sounds and them that actually look in, check in and give Antigua Sound Talk the support. I'm going to big up a special sound. Big up LP, big up Lyndon. Lyndon is one of the man in there for start off and day one and I had 3 people. 3 years after Lyndon you have seen go to anywhere they big up Lyndon and the LP family. And Lyndon make LP reach Antigua, so big up your damn self. Big up every single sound that ever passed through and bless Antigua Sound Talk because, you know, without added blessing the show, you know, I couldn't really go forward. You understand? How are we looking over the people? Yeah, just give us a few minutes. We just try to get the bad sound series, the whole line up. You don't know we go on Sound Talk now. You have exotic patience sometimes because you're going to get down wicked juggling and know that because the sound is not the regular sound. So if you know good for you, just stay put. Go and get some juice in the meantime. Get some for yam. Series the ruler, so check it. Yeah, series the ruler. Yeah, how we looking, Rashan? How we looking? 3 years of greatness, people. Look for put 3 more years on top of them. They pick up every song on the bill. That for pass through. You understand? We just try to get series start out. Just try to get see. So hold on there. See, you can't use the SX.
May use this, sir. May use this one. Just for.
With that in our work, you got to transition as a sound man to the big boss. You can't depend on one thing if you now have to make some changes to the lineup need for flow. You understand? So at the end of the day, you have to show like a diversity. You can't think that you can go with fair control everywhere and think that you can get for play for them. Yeah. Right now we have hammer mouth and we're twice, huh? Anyway, see you do really involved, but I'm trying to say that. Yeah, we got like a verse too.
Sometimes you want to
But I understand that, but sometimes you have to flip the script too. You can't just think. We're not distracting, but at the same time, we just and nothing now one. So we just try to make it happen. You understand what I'm trying to say? Big man, at the same thing, you know? At the same thing.
You're using a different program.
Different. Okay.
That's what I tell you.
Okay, got you.
The school and this
So
yeah, You read over there now.
You read, but
Listen
not.
up. You play some? Yeah. You read, yeah.
Yeah, people just bear with us. Just like a technical difficulty. Just bear with us. See, we do roll it up on the check-in, and we do everything in our power to make sure the sound and then can play. We can then come from far, and the only right far for try our best to make the sound and then get a chance. But do them things still. Check them out, see?
Who has ours for parachute tonight? Come see.
Caliber supposed to pass.
Cannabis.
50 caliber for pass.
Caliber. Who has got the bill?
For pass.
War.
We just have a King Warrior.
War.
for pass,
Wait.
you know.
Wait, Biden.
Yeah, we just have to wait, man, you know. and see
Let's
what
start
happens.
rolling.
You know that man love
Don't
that
know, you know.
prime-
Yeah,
prime
prime.
time.
Yeah.
Prime time sounds them, the man. So when they
You
look,
see?
yeah, in the next couple
Yeah,
minutes,
right.
you see that man just running.
True,
Prime
true.
time.
Yeah, Joe. And shell it down.
Yeah, man.
I am sure up there. And you send everything?
Everything up, yeah. Everything up.
No, what I leave so.
Check the view. Where are they?
Everything on mute.
Okay, okay.
But there, everything I want. Music to play up on the side there.
So nothing time now comes over there. People just bear with our, just bear with our. We're trying to get series do all the line
The
now.
one other one I had before. You know, yeah. The car, yeah.
Yeah, what people do remember, it's all about St. John's Rumble
Hold on, yeah,
taking part this Saturday. And this Saturday, no, May 4th. And this Saturday, yeah, this Saturday, man. This Saturday. This Saturday, people. We have Renato. We have Annually. Where's the app? We have V-Tech. We have Chi 7 and we have King Altitude people.
Anyway, people in the meantime,
Five sound,
hold on,
one
in the
winner.
meantime,
Thanks.
boss just called. He said, I can give you something for St. John's Rumble.
And the general said that?
He said, what are they? So they say, well, I'll give you 2 tickets now.
You know, the problem, he gave any instruction or we just wing it.
Just know what I'm saying.
But hear music. Okay, talk to the speaker, Alex.
Done.
Yo.
So they say,
Okay, yeah.
it make it easy, you know. Simple.
What song lock off the first St. John's Rumble?
No, I like that question.
You don't like that question. Why?
No,
It too hard?
you come on, so
Might get it.
Okay. Okay. I like that. So because I think that, okay, here. Hear me want to tell me. Anybody can tell me the venue that's gonna be taken, that St. John's Rumble is gonna be taking place at. Simple. Anybody can call in right about now. Check the phone line. 268-788-2959. Anybody can call in and tell her right now, male or female, where the venue is, because we had a venue change, right?
Yes, we did.
So we want the people in there know where the venue is. But take this, it makes sense. Anybody can call in right now and tell her where the venue
Check
is.
the phone and see the phone up and running.
Hey man, engineer, yeah, look like the phone up and running. He just for ring now.
You know, put it over the side.
Just for ring now. We get hell of
Anybody want to take it for St. John's Rumble this Saturday? Just call in and make a with the venue.
just give me the ticket.
Simple and easy.
Simple man. Remember, you know that simple because the venue changed. We have a venue. Remember, it was at a RG parking lot. And from the information that I got, it has changed. If anybody can tell me the new venue for St. John's Rumble, you win yourself a ticket to the Bad Clash. 5 songs. This Saturday, 5 songs, 1 win. And the number to call to try to win that ticket is 268-788-2959.
Check the phone.
Yeah, but see the phone ring, man. Must see the phone ring. Engineer check in, man. You know this is your cheat this area, man. You just ask the puppy show people. Just stop it. Yeah, fall.
Call it good night.
Yeah.
My man.
Hello.
That's right.
It's cool.
I mean, anything.
In the building.
Call it good night.
I'm calling the Antigua Sound Talk.
Yeah, go ahead. What's the venue for this week's clash? This weekend?
You're trying to see.
I'm gonna buy the seat.
Well, we have a winner. So what you can do is you can WhatsApp your name and your contact information to the number that you call, and we will definitely contact you on line 3 so you can make sure that you win yourself a ticket Most welcome. Russia, that's a funny question, so you have to come up with one now.
You know, me have made a hard question. My question could be, so this Saturday, who do you feel the jump out first?
Why Russia, stop.
You don't like that question, then?
But that can't make no sense.
That mean, that's their opinion.
That's a good question.
So whenever they want a car,
How
you
that
say,
go work?
once the car, you know, and say some kind of way.
You get a ticket.
Checking the bag. This one here?
So Dog,
Check it out.
Dog, let's see. The next ticket I will give you, somebody just leave a car, you know, say, we'll go first.
Yeah, that makes sense, man. I hear the thing is now. They can call any sound now. That's the problem
Alright,
thing.
somebody call you.
Who first to drop out?
Call it night.
And who first to go west?
Hold on there. No, you're not going to call there. Hold on there. Yeah, go again, what you say?
Call it live.
Unruly song.
And remember, I have B part of the question. I never asked you the B part of the question. Why you say unruly? Well, anyway, caller, that is your opinion and you win yourself one ticket. So the caller say unruly, go home first, and me say so, and the caller. So caller, you win yourself one ticket. Just WhatsApp your name and your contact information to the number 268. What's the number there? 268?
268-788-295. The same number they call.
Yeah, same number you call. Just WhatsApp your name and your contact information, and you will be getting yourself a ticket to St. John's Rumble. And thanks again for participating, my brother. Yeah, man. Any more tickets there, Whitney? I'm ready to do 2 more.
You go ahead.
After my place, I don't know something.
No. With the bars, don't give me the green light.
No. I say 2 more.
Give me the green light.
Okay, just 2 more. But I can't make that one a little harder, Rasha.
Go ahead.
I can't make that one a little harder.
Right.
Okay. Let me see how I will make this one interesting.
The last clash of any of the 5 songs.
How that one they go?
The last clash of any of the 5 songs.
I don't understand the question.
Name the last clash
With the okay,
of
good.
any of the songs.
But here, I have a question from one of our guests. And I think it's a good question. And the question is, can you name the last 5 songs that participated in St. John's Rumble? I like that. That's a song where I'm fair to I can dig. I need the 5 songs that participated.
Call it night.